Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My dear students, in this video I am going to cover the very first poem of class 12 English Flamingo NCERT, My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. Dear students, in this video I am going to cover all the MCQs of the poem My Mother at 66 along with the literary device, figure of speech of this poem. So I request each one of you to watch this video till the end. Dear students, this is also one of the best way to revise the poems. So let's get started. The very first question, who has penned the poem My Mother at 66? Dear students, very simple. The answer is right given here, Kamla Das. So first B, Kamla Das. Second, Kamla Das wrote under which pen name? Dear students, very important question. Reading the question once again, Kamala Das wrote under which pen name? A. Kamala Dasa. B. Kamala Madhvi. C. Madha Kutti. Or D. Madhvi Kutti. So dear students, the right answer of the second question is D. Madhvi Kutti. D. Third, what is the title of Kamla Das poem? Now come on dear students, this is something very easy. The right answer is C, My Mother at 66. Fourth one, Kamla Das was driving with her mother to the airport to Cochin, station to Cochin, airport to Trivandrum, or station to Trivandrum. The right answer is of question number 4 is A, airport to Cochin. Fourth, A. Question number 5. When did the poetess realize with pain that her mother was close to death? A. She saw her doze near her. B. Her mother was sleeping with her mouth open. C. Her mother's face was ashen. D. She saw her mother's grey hair. The right answer of question number 5 is C. Her mother's face was ashen. Sixth question. Kamla Das was driving to Cochin from her dash home. Parents, fathers, mothers, brothers. Right answer is A, parents' home. Seventh, the poetess put aside the thought of her mother's old age and dash. A, went to sleep. B, started praying. C, checked her plane ticket. D, looked out of the vehicle's window. The right answer of question number 7 is D, looked out of the vehicle's window. Eighth question, what did the poetess see as she looked out of the vehicle? The right answer of question number 8 is A, young trees sprinting. Question number 9, after the security check, the poetess looked at her mother and saw her mother's looking. The right answer of the question number 9 is B, wan and pale. Question number 10. What was the familiar ache which was Kamla's childhood fear? The right answer of question number 10 is C, being separated from her mother. Question number 11. The young trees seem to be dashed to the poetess. 11. C, sprinting. Question number 12. With what does the poetess compare her mother when she was sitting with her in the vehicle? The right answer of question number 12 is B, a corpse. 13. With what does the poetess compare her mother after she reaches the security check at the airport? The right answer of question number 13 is A, late winter's moon. 14. The poet smiled and smiled when she told her mother, see you soon, Amma, because D, she didn't want her mother to see the fear of losing her on her face. 15. I saw my mother beside me, doze, open mouthed, her face dash. Complete the line from the poem. The right answer of question number 15 is B, ashen like that of a corpse. Dear students, you may get a similar type of question, that incomplete line from the poem, and you have to complete with the appropriate word. So these are the 15 questions. Here we go next. Question number 16. And looked out at young trees dash the merry children dash out of their homes. Fill in the blanks with the words used by the poetess. The right answer of this question is C. Sprinting and spilling. And looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Next question number 17. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale as dash. Complete the line from the poem. The right answer is A. Late winter's moon. Last question. My mother at 66 is an example of complex subtleties of dash. The right answer of question number 18 is a human relationship. 18A. So dear students, let's go with the multiple choice question of the poem number 1, My Mother at 66. So here we go with the figure of speech. The very first sentence, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. The right answer of this question number 1 is B. Internal rhyme and alliteration. Internal rhyme, dear students, here driving, morning. Alliteration, here in alliteration you have m sound repeated. So the right answer of first is B. Internal rhyme and alliteration. Second, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouthed. The right answer of question number 2 is D. Synecdoche, open mouthed. Third, her face ashen like that of corpse. Her face compared with corpse. B. Metaphor. Third, B. Fourth, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. The right answer of question number 4, S. A. Alliteration. Fourth, A. Alliteration. Question number 5. And looked out at young trees sprinting. Young trees sprinting, running, human quality. And young trees sprinting, that is over exaggeration too. So the right answer is C. Hyperbole and personification. Sixth, the merry children spilling out of their homes. The merry children spilling out of their homes. Sixth, the right answer is metaphor. Seventh, I looked again at her when pale as a late winter's moon. When pale, almost same meaning, tautology. As simile, the right answer is C. Simile and tautology. Seventh, C. 8. And felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. The right answer of question number 8 is personification. Ninth, but all I said was see you soon, Amma. The right answer of this is ninth one is B. The repetition of sound. 10th, all I did was smile and smile and smile. The figure of speech of question number 10 is D. So dear students, these are your figure of speech of the first poem. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Dear students, if you have really learned something, then do hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.